Question number 20, paper 1, last question. Does tribal development in India center around two axes, those of displacement and of rehabilitation? Give your opinion. This is a very old discussion that we have had right from the time of independence, that shall we go for isolationist approach, assimilationist approach, or what? So this has been a big debate that we have had, around which this question can be seen. I suppose for a starting, you can go for contextual, you can take some factual opening for this, and also the debate that I just mentioned, isolationist versus assimilationist approach. You can possibly think of that angle also to start, and then tribal population, and then the area they live in. In fact, there is a World Bank report also which says that displacement is majorly of the tribal population, and that's something which can also be a point to start. In fact, uh, displacement as a major axis, also rehabilitation as a major axis. This is where I like you to focus on. But then you cannot say that this is the only two things that we have focused on. You can bring about constitutional commitment towards tribal development. Always try see that if you can get the flavor of other papers into this or not. I think you can get some of those ethical dimensions, and then that can really make this answer really very effective. In fact, in this question, you can draw a map also, and then can possibly show those Sardar Sarovar areas and those lot of other areas where we have got PESA provisions have been taken up, where we have got um, uh, forest right acts related issues have been talked about, and then they can really make your answer look very effective. In fact, the activities like mining, housing, um, uh, infrastructure, they all have been related to the tribal population and their areas of living. In fact, for conclusion, I would like you to bring those constitutional references of the tribal. I would like you to bring the government's commitment and the programs that they have had, those schools program, infrastructure program.